I am not a proper person who speak English without making any grammatical mistakes. I have also grammatical mistakes,
Yes.
But day by day, I want to improve my speaking English. I want to improve my communication skills. Okay. I have no also any environment. My environment is here. This is my environment with you. I have also grammatical mistakes, so that time don't focus on your mistake, just keep speaking. Okay. You may have more and more grammatical mistakes, many more grammatical mistakes, but don't focus on your mistakes. Oh, I had a mistake. How can I say it? How can I speak it? How to speak it? Don't think it much more time. Okay. At first, you just make your English language through Hindi by translating, but slowly, immensely, you just learn English through Hindi, and you will have more mistakes, many more mistakes, but slowly you have to improve. Okay. Did you have a practice with your?
So I don't practice, but I read English book.
I don't practice. No, I did not practice. I don't practice मतलब मैं practice नहीं करता हूँ. I did not practice मतलब मैं practice नहीं की थी. The question I asked in past simple, interrogative sentence. It was a interrogative sentence. I asked the question. What did I ask to you? Did you have a practice?
So I did not have any practice, but I read English book.
Yes. See, read English book. Did you watch any English programs?
No, sir, because there is no English programs
There
on
was?
our TV.
Huh?
Sir, there is no any
There was no any English program
in our TV.
on the channel we have. Okay, we had. ऐसा कह सकते हो. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nothing about to worry. And I told you when the videos in English are not available on your television, then you can use YouTube. Okay. Did you have a practice? Come. Did you have a practice?
I did not have a practice, but I read English book.
Okay. Can you tell me the chapter name that you have studied yesterday?
The good time.
The
Good time.
in class 4 it was?
Yes, sir.
It was in class 4
Yes, sir.
or in class 5? It was in class 4. Did you have a practice?
No, sir.
No? And did you study? Oh, you had not come yesterday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
She did not come yesterday, na?
Yes.
Okay. But what did you practice yesterday? What did you study yesterday?
Sir, speaking English.
Speaking English with your
Sir,
somebody will be there with whom you may be practicing. Okay. Who is the person?
sir,
With your father or mother?
sir, in front of the mirror. Sir,
In front of the mirror. Okay. Did you have a practice yesterday?
Yes, sir.
With whom did you have?
With Papa.
With Papa you had. Your speaking practice had with your Papa. Did you have or not?
Not.
Why? I told you. And who had no environment and who has no environment of speaking English? Then I told you to read books. Did I tell or not?
Yes, sir.
I told you to study English books, watch English YouTube videos on YouTube. I had told or not? Yes. Some of you have practice. He had a practice with his father. Only watch the good videos on YouTube. There are so many good YouTube stories videos are available on YouTube. You can watch. Okay. Did you have?
Yes, sir.
You took your practice alone.
Yes, sir.
What did you practice?
Sir, translation.
Translation Hindi to English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you have?
Yes, sir.
With your
With my father.
with your father. What did your father ask to you yesterday? What was about your talk? What was about your practice? What was about your speaking English?
Father asked me Hindi sentence. I translate in English.
You translated them in English. Okay, very nice. It was a very nice practice. We had no completely English environments, and we can take a way that is Hindi to English. Okay, we know speaking Hindi very well. Okay, then through Hindi language we can learn English language. It will be very helpful also. Okay, and don't if you are not able to speak at home fluently and continuously, you cannot speak them. The English words are not available there. When you want to talk with someone, then you can use Hindi language. Okay, sometimes.